Muleshoe, Texas.
Anybody know where Muleshoe, Texas is?
We do have people that know. Usually I get Texas, and that would be correct. But anyway, he spent years going up and down this river, seeing what he could see in those canyon walls, eventually bringing friends out, seeing if but you want to hike to some of those, let us know and we can point you in the right direction. Sorry, does anybody have any questions?
Dinosaur kingdom that ruled the land for 120 million years. Footprints and petrified bone from these wondrous creatures are still found near here today. In a period when the dinosaurs passed into extinction, the Rocky Mountains were born. And now, not reptiles, but mammal hordes prevailed upon the earth.
Such as wholesome points and spear tubes. Later came the pre-agricultural people, now called the Archaic Indians.
From hardships to conveniences never dreamed of. Again, in the darkness of night, we contemplate the heritage that is ours.